This is Miss Dewi and friend. Oh, lukis ibu. Oh, ini kitnya, oke. Good. Halo, hari ini saya akan ada face painting. Ini siapa namanya? Oh, Jaden. What is your grade now? You are the one to be a model of my painting. What is your painting? Look at this. Look at it. So nice, right? Do you need add the spider there? Okay, I'm gonna add spider. Okay. Okay.
Reisha, does it hurt? Picture us.
Ready? Okay, we have
How much? 3 ka? Ha? 3.
like that, okay? Ready? Hey, go! Dance! Here! Follow me,
I don't know the Twin Dragon, but this is the best way I can do.
Yeah.
listen!
Tatato ka dahil.
Dance properly! Dance! Look up! Go! Mr. Alfred, go! Let's get loud! Come on, man! More! Go! Up! Okay, one out! Remove one chair! Okay, kids!
Reisha, does it hurt?
Okay, ready? You move, yeah? Move, dance, dance, dance! Very good! Don't wait for the music!
This
Don't
is
play
only
like
exhibition
that!
drawing, you know.
Oh! Okay! Not this one also.
Wow, fire.
Do you think enough?
Yeah. Okay, that's maganda na.
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
Picture us.
With with the cloudy.
Yeah.
Bikin apa nih Pak? Rainbow. Oh, so pretty. That's it. So good, right? You are look handsome. Bye bye. This is the result. Show me the outside here. So nice, right? Right? Good. Halo semuanya, kita di sini sama Pak Mulyadi. Kita mau face painting nih. Anak-anak ini mau di face painting, oke? Kita lagi nunggu. Mana Pak? Bukan gitu Pak, gini.